Hey guys, Count and Cook back again with yet another interesting Udupi cuisine. Today's recipe is a special one, very simple dish called Padpe Upkari made with the red amaranth leaves. Before I get started, let me run through the ingredients. Today we are using red amaranth leaves, also called Padpe in Tulu, which was grown in our backyard. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal for tempering, 1 tablespoon of curry leaves, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic. Depending upon your heat tolerance, 6 to 8 green chilies finely chopped. You would also need 1 onion finely chopped. For sourness, you can use fresh tamarind or tomato, but today we are using 1 tomato finely chopped, quarter to half coconut scraped, salt as per taste, for tempering, we have used up approximately 30 ml of coconut oil. For making this preparation, heat up a pan or pot like this. When the pan heats up, in goes nicely washed curry leaves. The reason we are adding curry leaves right now is that curry leaves have moisture content in it. Now when the moisture content in the curry leaves have dried out, in goes coconut oil. When the oil heats up, in goes some mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds splutter, in goes urad dal. In goes garlic, chopped onions. To make onions cook faster, in goes some salt, finely chopped green chilies, now when the onions have become translucent, in goes finely chopped tomatoes and saute. Now when the tomatoes have become slightly mushy, in goes padpe. Sprinkle some salt on the top. Now cook covered for a couple of minutes. Now when you take out the lid, you would see that padpe has nicely cooked. In goes some coconut and mix well. After about couple of minutes, upkari is ready. You can turn off the stove now. Hey, Padpe the upkari is ready. with hot steaming ganji and pickle. What else you want for dinner, man? Do try this recipe out at home and let us know how it turned out. For more such interesting recipes, subscribe to the channel Count and Cook. While subscribing, do not forget to press the bell notification icon so that you guys get notified whenever we upload something new. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until then, we at Count and Cook signing out.